Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into a runnable state. Open the solution, confirm the startup project, and switch to debug configuration so symbols will build. Once done, ensure PDB files are generated and point Visual Studio to any external symbol servers you need. Set initial breakpoints where requests enter, controller actions, page load, or middleware. Make sure just my code and source server support are set according to whether you need external sources. These steps let you hit meaningful breakpoints immediately when the app runs. Start the app with IIS Express or attach to W3WP if using full IIS. For Docker, attach to the container process. Trigger the failing request and let breakpoints pause execution. Once stopped, use conditional breakpoints to reduce noise and exception settings to break on thrown exceptions. This is faster than hunting logs. Inspect locals, autos, and watch windows to read values, and traverse the call stack to find the call path. Use immediate or quick watch to evaluate expressions and modify variables to test fixes on the fly. After diagnosing, apply a targeted code fix and rebuild. Use edit and continue to iterate when you want rapid cycles. Reproduce the issue while watching logs and sequence through breakpoints to confirm the behavior is resolved. If you cannot hit breakpoints, verify symbols loaded in modules, confirm the source file matches the deployed binary, and ensure you attach to the correct process with sufficient permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: enable module and symbol load logging to quickly see mismatches between your PDBs and the running code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.